I am marking starting point as usual. The length of the gown is 39. I'm marking 40, that's plus 1 inch. Shoulder to waist is 17. Shoulder to hip is 28. Shoulder measurement is 8. 1 inch for shoulder slant. From there, take 8 inches for armhole. Neck width of 2.5. Neck depth of 3 inches. I folded for the front and back, so I'll be marking 1 inch for back depth. Half of the armhole, 4 inches. For the front, going by 0.5. I measured out 1 inch there, just to know how the curve would go without armhole curve ruler. Bust is 10 inches plus 2 inches. Waist is 9 plus 2 inches. So the 2 inches I added to this. 1 inch is for ease, while the other inch is for seam allowance. I'll be using this for the design in the front, and I want to make sure that this curve right here falls into the center of the front side. So I'm just going to place it like I'm interfacing. After cutting out this part, I just realized that the fabric didn't align very well, so I had to shift it up a little bit and adjust it. I went in by 1.5 inches. I will slant the back by 6 inches. I'm placing the lining on the front side of the Ankara. I'll sew it all the way this way. I'm done sewing and I'm giving a notch. Turn it over and give it a hot press. So I'll be placing the right side of the cape to the wrong side of the gown. Then I'll sew the neckline. After which I am giving a notch for it to relax very well. Flip it over and give it a hot press. Now it's time to join the shoulders. This is the back part and the front side facing each other. Join the shoulders. This two piece is a design I want to put on the sleeve. Is 5 inches by width and I've already given a notch at the center of it. So this is the sleeve. I've already cut it out, gave a notch at the center as well. Next thing to do is to fold in the 5 inches design, then place it on the wrong side of the sleeve, just this way, and I will sew it. This is what it looks like after sewing it. On the right side of the gown, I've already given a notch, remember, on the sleeve. So I'll placing the right side of the sleeve on the right side of the gown and I'll sew it all the way around like this. So I'm done sewing and it's time to take out the 1 inch by the sides. Remember, we added 2 inches, 1 inch for ease and 1 inch for sewing allowance. So right now I'm taking out the whole 1 inch that I've added to the side and I will sew it the way I am marking this chalk. After which I'll fold in the 1 inch for the hem. For the rope on the sleeve, I have 44 inches in length and the width is 5 inches. So I have it 2 here. Next thing to do is to turn it to the wrong side and I'll sew it all the way. So I'm done sewing it and I've ironed it very well. So I just wanted to give a little design right here by folding it in like this. You can decide not to fold yours. So after which you just go to your machine and sew it a little bit. Now I'm done sewing it and all that. This is what it looks like.